Aloha everyone, my name is Amir and I'm a creative videographer based in Hawaii. The past few months I've been filming a lot on Insta360's new cameras, and in this video I'm going to be showing you 6 of my favorites, starting with number 1. That video is created using the X5 camera with the invisible selfie stick. I made sure to film in 5.7K 60 frames per second so I could achieve slow motion. Also, it was important for me to keep the camera low to the ground since that's the optimal angle for skating. Luckily, the X5 stabilization is so good that I didn't have to worry about shaking. Lastly, I reframed the video using the Insta360 Studio desktop software, using the tracking feature. Now, on to video 2. This is actually my favorite mount Insta360 has, and it's made for mounting on motorcycles. All you need besides that mount is an invisible selfie stick and the X5 camera. The awesome thing is that the X5 stitching hides the selfie stick, so the camera looks like it's floating in midair. I made sure to mount it on several different parts of the bike to get several creative angles, since the goal was to make it look like it's in a video game. Let's play video 3. Bullet time is one of those effects I wish I had a long time ago. It's such a cool feature and it's so incredibly easy to use. Just use the bullet time cord, mount the X5, set it to bullet time recording, and swing it around you. I did this in several different locations, then open those files in the Insta360 app. They have a feature that allows you to select your bullet time clips all together and make the edit for you. It's really as easy as that. Now, cue video 4. I filmed this with the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro. There's a feature on it called Hyperlapse mode, and all you have to do is highlight the subject that you want to track on the screen and walk towards it or away from it. Once you stop recording, the app will process and stabilize your clip, giving you a smooth hyperlapse result. Combine multiple of those together and you got yourself a professional hyperlapse video. And now it's time to play video 5. I used the extended selfie stick with the X5 for this video. The beauty of this selfie stick is that when it's fully extended, it resembles a drone shot. This is especially useful in no drone areas. And again, because it's on the X5, there's no stick shown in the result. I have one more video to show you, which is also on the X5. One of my favorite parts of this camera is that you never miss an angle, since it's capturing 360 degrees. It also has the capability to record 60 frames per second with 5.7K resolution, allowing a high quality slow motion result. I hope you enjoyed this video and all these cool new techniques filmed with Insta360 cameras. There's so many possibilities with their cameras, and the creative ideas are endless. I'd love to see what you capture with your cameras, so please tag me at Amir and at Insta360 on your edit, and I'll be sure to check it out.